How to add funds to your SoFi account using mobile. Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through how to add funds to your SoFi account using the mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SoFi app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in with your account credentials. Once inside the app, tap on the Banking tab located at the bottom of your screen to access your account overview. Under your account balance, tap on Add Cash or Add Funds. This is where you'll begin the funding process. Now, select the bank account or debit card you want to transfer money from. If you haven't linked one yet, follow the prompts to add a funding source. Type in the exact amount you want to deposit into your SoFi account. After entering the amount, tap Continue or Next. Carefully review the transfer details. When you're sure everything is correct, tap Confirm to initiate the transaction. And that's it! You'll see a confirmation message. In most cases, funds appear instantly, but it may take 1 to 2 business days depending on your bank. Congratulations, and you have successfully added funds to your SoFi account using the mobile app. You're ready to use your balance for saving, investing, or spending.